Hi, welcome to the Worldwide Whiteboard.
Thank you. So I have a question on the second homework problem. I've done my supply and demand curves, but I really don't understand what I'm supposed to do next to answer the question. It says to find the effect on U.S. consumers of a $500 decrease in world price.
Okay, so we're going to want to look at how consumer surplus changes as a result of the world price decreasing. So we're going to start by shading in a couple of areas on your graph, different colors. And this will help us identify consumer surplus by the different colors. So the first area I'm going to shade is this triangular region in the upper left corner. So let's shade this pink. Then I'm going to shade this triangle in the middle, and I'll shade that blue. And then I'm going to shade this last region down here gray. Now, do you remember how to find consumer surplus by looking at a graph?
Is that the area underneath the demand curve but above the price?
Right, and before the decrease in world price, which price are we going to use? Is it going to be the world price or world price minus 500?
That would be the world price.
Good. So, looking at our graph here, what regions represent consumer surplus before the world price of automobiles decreased?
That's the pink and the blue.
Good. Now, after the decrease in price, did consumer surplus increase or decrease?
After the decrease in price, the consumer surplus increased by the entire gray area.
Good. And do you remember how to find the area of a region like our gray region here?
I think so. Isn't it just a collection of rectangles and triangles? So all I'd have to do is find the area of all those pieces and add them all up.
And you can look at it that way, but to save yourself some calculation time, you can view that entire gray region as one big trapezoid. Do you remember how to find the area of a trapezoid?
No, I don't.
Okay, no problem. I can paste the formula for the area of a trapezoid onto the whiteboard screen. Now, are you able to use that formula to calculate the area of this gray region?
I think so. Base 1 would be the world price, and base 2 would be the world price minus 500.
Right, taken out to the demand curve.
Okay. And the height, that would be the difference between world price and world price minus 500, or $500, right?
Right.
So then I have world price is 1 million, and the other line is 1.1 million. So that's 2.1 million times 1/2 times 500. So that's 525 million.
Good. So we can say that as a result of this decrease in world price, U.S. consumers as a group are how much better off?
They're better off by $525 million.
Great. So what I'm going to do for you is on page 2, I'm going to paste a link to an article that will give you a nice overview of economic surplus. So there's that article there. And I'm also going to paste a video that will show you how to calculate producer surplus and economic surplus in addition to consumer surplus. And now on the third page, I'm going to paste the relevant section from your textbook that goes over economic surplus. Just when you're reviewing the session, make sure to click on pages 4 and 5 as the text selection will extend onto those pages.
Great. Thank you very much.
No problem. You have a great night, and thank you for using the Worldwide Whiteboard.
Thank you.